Imagine connecting to the world in less than a second. That's the magic of the internet. A massive global web linking billions of devices, enabling messages, videos, and web pages to flow across the globe instantly. To master IT, you must understand this journey. Let's break it down step by step. Every device on the network has its own IP address, a unique number, like the digital equivalent of a street address. The domain name system, or DNS, acts as an internet phone book, converting website names into IP addresses your device can actually use. Then, protocols like HTTP and HTTPS transfer web pages securely between servers and browsers, while packets, tiny chunks of data, race through networks for efficient delivery. When you type a web address, your browser checks if it already knows the site's IP address. If not, it asks a DNS server, which searches through its database, queries root and TLD servers, contacts the authoritative server, then delivers the right IP address, so your browser knows exactly where to send its request. With the destination set, your browser initiates a TCP handshake, establishing a reliable connection. For secure websites, an extra TLS handshake encrypts your information, keeping your data safe. Your request is split into packets, routed through your home router, ISP, and countless networks. Each packet might travel a different path, passing through fiber optic cables, satellites, or even undersea lines, and is reassembled at the destination. The web server receives your request, processes it, and prepares the response, retrieving files, running code, querying databases, and packaging everything you need: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images. This response is sent back again as packets until your browser pulls everything together. Next, your browser renders the page, laying out text, colors, and interactive features. If needed, it requests more images, fonts, or scripts. All this happens in a blink, under 1 second. Beneath it all is a vast physical infrastructure: fiber optics, copper cables, wireless networks, and the multi-layered OSI model keeping everything organized. Security protocols like HTTPS, firewalls, VPNs, and two-factor authentication safeguard your data. That's how the internet works, seamlessly connecting millions of users and devices. Understanding this process empowers you to dive deeper into networking, web development, and cybersecurity. Now, the world of IT is yours to explore.